Are you struggling with academic research? Ever wished for an AI assistant to help you out? Welcome to the future, where artificial intelligence is not just a sci-fi concept, but an integral part of our daily lives. In the academic world, it's revolutionizing the way we study and conduct research. From personalized tutoring to efficient organization, AI tools provide a range of benefits. But remember, every rose has its thorns. While AI tools boost productivity and personalize study sessions, they also present challenges like potential over-reliance and the need for critical thinking. It's key to use these tools responsibly and not as a crutch, but rather as a stepping stone to enhance your learning journey. So, if you're ready to harness the power of AI and elevate your academic research experience, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 10 AI tools that can ease your academic research experience. Let's start with Grammarly, an AI-powered tool perfect for improving your writing skills. Grammarly is more than a simple spell checker. It's a sophisticated platform that can help turn your academic research into a well-polished masterpiece. It works by scanning your text for a multitude of potential issues, including grammatical mistakes, punctuation inconsistencies, and spelling errors, just to name a few. But it doesn't stop there. Grammarly also provides a plagiarism detection feature, a valuable resource for any researcher. It compares your text to billions of web pages and published works, ensuring your work is uniquely yours. Remember, there's a fine line between research and plagiarism. What's more, Grammarly provides suggestions to enhance your writing style and tone. It can help you avoid passive voice, overused words, and unclear sentence structures. It's like having a personal editor at your fingertips, giving you real-time feedback on how to improve your writing. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how does it help with academic research? Well, Grammarly can be an invaluable tool for researchers. It helps you present your findings in a clear, concise, and professional manner. It ensures your work is free from errors that could undermine your credibility. And most importantly, it allows you to focus on your research by taking care of the editing. So, if you're looking to polish your academic writing, Grammarly is a tool to consider. Next up, we have AI-powered flashcards, a tool designed to enhance your studying techniques. Now, let's dive into how these smart cards work. Imagine a deck of cards, each containing a question on one side and the answer on the flip side. The AI, like a diligent tutor, shuffles these cards to test your knowledge, repeating the ones you struggle with and setting aside the ones you've mastered. The beauty of these flashcards lies in their adaptability. They mold themselves to your pace of learning, ensuring that you grasp concepts at your own speed. Picture this: you're researching a complex academic topic. You can use these flashcards to break down the topic into digestible chunks, enhancing your understanding bit by bit. But it's not just about breaking down complex ideas. These flashcards reinforce your memory too. By repeatedly testing your knowledge, they ensure that the information sticks, making them a fantastic tool for academic research. With AI-powered flashcards, studying has never been easier. Ever wished you could transcribe your lectures at the click of a button? Well, with AI-powered lecture transcribers, you can. These handy tools work by converting spoken words into written text, capturing every detail of your lecture. And let's face it, who hasn't zoned out during a lecture only to realize you've missed something crucial? With a lecture transcriber, those worries are a thing of the past. One of the major benefits of these transcribers is their accuracy. They're capable of recognizing and transcribing complex academic vocabulary, which can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with intricate subject matter. They also save you a significant amount of time. Instead of painstakingly transcribing lectures yourself, you can let the AI do the work while you focus on understanding and absorbing the content. The use of lecture transcribers extends beyond lectures too. They're also an invaluable tool for academic research. Interviews, seminars, conferences, you name it. If there's valuable spoken information, a lecture transcriber can capture it for you. So if you're looking to streamline your note-taking process, lecture transcribers are a tool to consider. Research papers can be daunting, but not with AI-powered research summarizers. Now, let's dive right into how these incredible tools work. Using advanced algorithms, Research summarizers condense lengthy and complex papers into digestible summaries. They sift through the sea of information, highlighting key points and drawing out the heart of the research. But what's the real magic behind these summarizers? It's their ability to decode academic jargon and present it in an understandable format. They can turn a 100-page document into a concise, comprehensible summary in mere seconds. They're like your personal academic translator, making the incomprehensible comprehensible. The benefits of using research summarizers are numerous. First, they save you a lot of time. Instead of spending hours or even days poring over a single paper, you can get the gist of it in minutes. This means you can cover more ground in less time. Second, they improve your understanding of the research. By breaking down complex ideas into simpler terms, summarizers help you grasp the subject matter more easily. How can they be used for academic research? They're perfect for literature reviews or when you're trying to get a broad overview of a field. You can also use them to keep up with the latest research in your area of study. Remember, they're not a replacement for a thorough read, but a tool to help you navigate the vast ocean of academic literature. With research summarizers, understanding complex research papers has never been easier. Up next, we have AI-powered writing assistants, tools designed to help you improve your writing. These smart tools are not just your average spell checkers. They are advanced systems that analyze your writing to provide constructive feedback, helping you to refine your style, tone, and coherence. Picture this. You're working on a research paper, and you're unsure about the flow of your arguments or the clarity of your points. Enter the AI writing assistant. It examines your work, identifies areas of improvement, and even suggests edits to ensure your writing is clear, concise, and impactful. Now let's talk about how this is beneficial for academic research. Effective writing is key to communicating your research findings. An AI writing assistant can help ensure your work is well-structured, easy to understand, and free of jargon. It's like having a personal editor available round the clock to help you produce your best work. So, if you're looking to improve your academic writing, AI-powered writing assistants are a tool to consider. Next, let's talk about AI-powered study planners. These smart tools are designed to streamline your academic journey, acting as your personal assistant. They work by helping you organize your time, tasks, and study sessions efficiently. You input your deadlines, project timelines, and study goals, and the AI does the rest, creating a customized study schedule for you. But that's not all. These study planners adapt to your study habits, adjusting your schedule based on your productivity patterns. This means you get a personalized study experience tailored to your needs. When it comes to academic research, these tools are invaluable. They can help manage your research tasks, keep track of deadlines, and even remind you of upcoming tasks. They allow you to focus on what truly matters, the research itself, rather than getting lost in the whirlwind of organization. With study planners, managing your academic tasks has never been easier. Up next, we have AI-powered citation generators. These handy tools are a game changer when it comes to academic research. With just a few clicks, they can create accurate and consistent citations in a multitude of styles, be it APA, MLA, or Chicago. They work by taking the information you provide, such as the author's name, the title of the work, and the year of publication, and turning it into a perfectly formatted citation. The beauty of citation generators lies in their simplicity. They save researchers from the tedious and time-consuming process of manually creating citations. This not only saves precious time, but also ensures accuracy, eliminating the risk of errors that could potentially undermine your work's credibility. However, it's important to remember that these tools are not infallible. Always double-check the citations they generate for accuracy. They are a fantastic asset for academic research, but they should be used as a helpful aid, not as a complete replacement for understanding and applying citation rules. So, if you're looking to simplify your citation process, citation generators are a tool to consider. Let's move on to AI-powered text-to-speech converters. These ingenious tools are designed to transform written text into audible speech, making it effortless to consume information without having to read in the traditional sense. Consider the benefits. Improved comprehension, for one. When you hear information, you process it differently, which can sometimes lead to better understanding. Then there's the gift of multitasking. You can listen to research papers while doing other tasks, maximizing your productivity. Text-to-speech converters can be a game changer for academic research, especially when dealing with lengthy and complex material. They make it possible to absorb knowledge on the go, whether you're commuting, working out, or simply relaxing. These tools can read aloud from a variety of sources, including books, articles, and web pages, making them incredibly versatile. And with the advancements in AI, the speech generated is becoming increasingly natural, making for a more enjoyable listening experience. With text-to-speech converters, reading long research papers has never been easier. Next on our list are AI tutors. Picture this: a tutor that is available round the clock, tailors lessons to your learning style, and assists you in academic research. This is no fantasy, but a reality with AI tutors. AI tutors work by using machine learning algorithms to understand your strengths and weaknesses. They analyze your performance in real time, adapt to your learning style, and provide personalized content to help you improve. They are not just a tool for learning, but a tool for understanding how you learn. The benefits of AI tutors are numerous. One of the most significant advantages is their availability. They are there for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to assist whenever you need them. This constant availability makes them a fantastic resource for researchers who often work late into the night or have irregular schedules. Another key benefit of AI tutors is their ability to provide personalized tutoring. Each of us learns in a unique way, and AI tutors are designed to cater to this. They adapt their teaching style and content to match your learning style, ensuring that you grasp concepts effectively and efficiently. In terms of academic research, AI tutors can be a game changer. They can assist in understanding complex theories, guide in statistical analysis, help in writing research papers, and even provide insights on how to present your findings effectively. But remember, while AI tutors offer incredible benefits, they are not designed to replace human tutors. They are a tool, a resource to enhance your learning experience and make academic research more accessible and manageable. So, if you're looking for personalized academic guidance, AI tutors are a tool to consider. Last but not least, we have AI-powered data analysis tools. These remarkable tools are designed to help you navigate the vast ocean of data that is a part and parcel of academic research. They work by employing sophisticated algorithms that can sift through and categorize large volumes of data, ensuring that you have the most relevant and useful information at your fingertips. One of the key benefits of these tools is their ability to provide accurate data interpretation. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, they can analyze data in a way that is beyond human capabilities, pinpointing patterns and relationships that may otherwise go unnoticed. This can be a game changer in your research, allowing you to draw conclusions and make predictions that are backed by solid evidence. But the benefits don't stop at interpretation. Many of these tools also offer predictive analytics, using past data to predict future trends. This can be incredibly useful in academic research, allowing you to anticipate outcomes and adjust your hypotheses accordingly. So how exactly can you use these tools for academic research? Well, they can be employed in a variety of ways. Whether you're conducting a survey study and need to analyze responses, or you're working with large datasets for a quantitative research project, data analysis tools can streamline the process, saving you time and ensuring precision. With data analysis tools, interpreting complex data has never been easier. So there you have it, the top 10 AI tools for academic research in 2024. Let's take a moment to recap. We delved into the world of Grammarly, the tool that enhances your writing by checking for grammatical errors. We explored Flashcards, the application that personalizes your study sessions. Lecture transcribers, the tool that simplifies note-taking, wasn't left out. We also discussed research summarizers, an AI tool that condenses research materials for easy comprehension. Don't forget writing assistants, the tool that provides support to improve your writing skills. We took you through study planners, an AI tool designed to organize your study schedule efficiently. We highlighted Citation Generators, a tool that makes referencing a breeze. Text-to-speech converters, An AI tool that converts written text to audible speech also found its place in our list. AI Tutors, a personalized tutoring tool, was another gem we uncovered. Lastly, we spoke about data analysis tools, the AI tool that simplifies the process of interpreting complex datasets. Each of these tools offers unique benefits, from enhancing productivity to streamlining study techniques. They're all designed to make your academic research smoother and more efficient. But it's crucial to remember that these tools are here to assist, not replace. They're partners in your academic journey, helping you achieve your research goals while still encouraging the development of your critical thinking skills. Remember, AI is a partner, not a replacement, in your academic journey. Use these tools wisely and responsibly. Until next time, happy researching.
Welcome to your Scholarship Guide, the ultimate destination for all things scholarships and international job opportunities. We bring to you the most prestigious, fully funded programs from around the globe, ready to make your career dreams a reality. Get ready to dive into detailed guides on each opportunity, from the basics of the scholarship to its unique benefits and eligibility criteria. We've got all the important dates, application procedures, and required documents covered for you. And that's not all. We'll wrap up each guide with a comprehensive conclusion and provide direct links to official websites, application portals, and blogs of past recipients right in the video description. So don't miss out. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop whenever a new scholarship rolls off the press. Buckle up and prepare to embark on some truly life-changing global experiences. The world is waiting for you.